Hey, Amber Anderson here. I just wanted to take a moment and tell you how excited we are to be a sponsor this year for Bird Rock Elementary School. We are one of the top teams here in La Jolla with Pacific Sotheby's International Realty. I work with my husband and business partner Brandon White, and we've got two beautiful little girls, Anne Marie, who is in first grade, and Caitlin, who is in kinder this year. So we know you have a lot of choices when it comes to picking your realtor, and so we wanted to do everything we could to just give back to the foundation. So out of every transaction that we do with the Bird Rock family, we'll be donating 10% of our entire commission in your behalf and in your name to the foundation, as we want to secure the success for our kids and your kids and make this school the best it can be. Ciao for now. We look forward to working with you.